December pa birthday mo?
Hindi, Ella. Kasi tinapos ko hugasan ang mga plato na inutos ni Mami. Tapos nagligpit din ako ng mga toys ko. Ayun, natuwa si Mami kaya binila niya ako.
Wow, nice naman. Alam ko na naalala mo yung tinuro ni teacher sa church na dapat susundin natin ang utos ni Mami or Daddy kasi natutuwa si Jesus, di ba?
Yun ang tama, children. Obey your parents is the Lord of this is right.
Tama ka, Scarlett. Kaya sa lahat ng mga bata dyan, sundin at igalang sina Mami at Daddy dahil natutuwa si Jesus.
Tells us how a family should work in the Bible. Children are to respect and obey their parents. The word obey means to understand and to do what you are asked to do. This Bible verse also says that you should honor your father and your mother. Exodus 20:12. To honor your parents is to show them proper respect. My prayer for today, Lord, teach me to obey and honor my parents. Amen. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right.
Thank you.